How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be changing the oil on the 1971 Ford F-100. There it is in its beautiful glory. Let's get started. First things first, hood. All right, hood is open. Let's take the oil filler cap. Take that guy off. This is much easier with a scraper, but right over here on the driver's side of the engine of the oil drain pan is our oil drain bolt. Is it 7/8? Oh my goodness, 7/8. And she's loose. Well, that's good news. Just flows right off the back there. Jesus. Man, that stuff is black. Well, that's terrifying. All right, that's back in. All right, time to grab the filter. Filter is right at the front of the engine on the driver's side. I've already loosened it, so we'll unscrew it the rest of the way. There we go. New filter's on. Hey guys, sorry about the abrupt sunlight. I had to quit last night. A friend of mine came over. I had to go take care of something. We added the oil in. We got the new filter on, and now it's ready to fire up. The hell are my keys at? Are they in the ignition? They are in the ignition. All right. Uh-oh. They were also left on all night long. We might have a dead battery. Let's find out. Oh yeah, she's flat dead. That sucks. Oh darn. All right, negative on negative, positive on positive. Let's see if it'll start. E-brake. E-brake is on. There we go. Well, that's it, guys. That's how you change the oil on the 1971 Ford F-100. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys in the next one.